Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. So this way neuroplasticity is defined. And you know that for this purpose neurogenesis is the requirement. There are many other processes, but one of them is neurogenesis. So here the matter of discussion is the use of or practicing mindful meditation to enhance neurogenesis, and the sole purpose of this is neuroplasticity. Yes, this is required for learning, for memory, for mental health, for mental well-being, means for the cognition purposes. This is our requirement, means this is the requirement of every human being. Okay, so neurogenesis is what? It is the process of forming new neurons in our brain, especially the part hippocampus. This is the requirement. If neurogenesis does not occur, then I have already mentioned a few terms such as cognition ability, mental well-being, mental health, everything will be lost. So neurogenesis is the requirement, but if you can enhance this process of neurogenesis, then everything will be better. Everything will be better. So better, for the betterment of all these things, neurogenesis or enhanced neurogenesis is the requirement, and this can be enhanced by undergoing various processes. Okay, and one of them is mindful meditation. Yes, mindful meditation. This is a special kind of meditation. There are so many kinds of meditation. Okay, and one of them is mindful meditation. Means what? Mindfulness means whatever you are doing, you have to do that thing consciously. Means whenever you are eating something, so you have to concentrate on only eating. You have to focus your concentration only on eating. Don't think any other thing. Okay. Acknowledging and accepting your feelings, your emotions, your thoughts. This is called mindfulness. So whenever you are meditating with mindfulness, that is called mindful meditation. So if you practice mindful meditation, in that case everything will be better. Means that causes neurogenesis, that enhances neurogenesis. Okay, so what is the mechanism behind this mindful meditation? Yes, one more thing I want to add to this. This is highly scientific. This is not only spiritual, because I am talking about meditation. It is scientific. There is scientific evidence behind this. MRI images have been taken. MRI, you know that thing, magnetic resonance imaging. In diagnostic centers, this facility is available. Okay, by taking MRI images and analyzing the results, scientists have proved that yes, there is a positive impact of mindful meditation in the process of neurogenesis. Okay, so scientific evidences are there. First thing, if you practice mindful meditation properly and regularly, okay, then in that case your blood flow, means cerebral, I am talking about blood flow in the brain, which is called cerebral blood flow. So blood flow increases, means there is an enhancement of the blood flow in your brain, and you know that for the process of neurogenesis, blood flow sufficient or the required blood flow is required. Means blood flow is required with nutrients, with sufficient nutrients and oxygen. And you know that blood carries both oxygen and nutrients. So for the process of neurogenesis, or to enhance this process, okay, increased blood flow is required, and by going through mindful meditation, you can enhance the blood flow in your brain. So that is one mechanism behind mindful meditation. There are also other, such as if you practice mindful meditation, in that case your stress, anxiety, etc., all these things, depression, okay, will be reduced, and therefore there will be a reduction in cortisol level. Cortisol is nothing but a hormone which is known as stress hormone, okay. There will be a reduction in cortisol level in your blood, and that way actually cortisol, this hormone, impedes the action of neurogenesis, okay. So by reducing the level of cortisol hormone, you can create a favorable environment in your brain for the neurogenesis process to occur smoothly. So that is one way. So whenever you are undergoing through mindful meditation, in that case your cortisol level is decreased, and that enhances the process of neurogenesis. Okay, so mechanisms are there. My main purpose of this lecture or making this video is just to inform you about the benefits of mindful meditation for the purpose of neuroplasticity. And purpose of neuroplasticity is what? For good learning, for learning memory, for cognition purposes, for mental well-being, for mental health, etc. Okay, and scientific evidences are there, they are existing, okay. This is meditation, the topic is meditation, that doesn't mean that this is only spiritual, there is no scientific evidence, not like that, okay. So by increasing blood flow in the brain and by reducing the cortisol hormone level in your blood, we can enhance neurogenesis process. That means, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that intersection of neuroplasticity, neurogenesis and mindful meditation is very, very, very good for our health, especially for our brain. I am talking about brain actually here, okay. Anyway, so this was all about the topic, okay. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.